Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about, as you know, I have been talking about the mindset and the universal laws. You might be saying why we have to learn about the mindset. As you know, we are working around the personal goals, professional goals, around how to build the business here. So, as you know, I've been talking about the mind and I've been talking about the laws. I think it's very important. If you don't know our own mind, how you can use your own mind. Sometimes we're not even aware of it. 98% people are not aware of it, how to use your own mind. And then we blame others or family or friends, excuse me, the environment, and then we think we cannot see the result according to the way you want. Even intellectually, you are aware of it, you got all the information, and then you know what to do, how to do, and then you're not seeing the result because we are not aware of how our mind works. So I keep stressing about it. You have to know your own mind. If you don't know your own mind, and if I ask you what your mind looks like, can you tell me? Can you describe me? I'm not saying what your brain look like. I'm asking you what your mind looks like and how that works. It's most important knowing that. So we are building the business here. It might be your goals might be personal goals or professional goals. So whatever your goals are. So we are working on purpose. I'm working on my purpose, and you might be looking for purpose, work or something, business, new job or new business, or more prospect or freedom as a more time or more money, excuse me, whatever you're looking for, but we are, and then is we are working around that, whatever you are looking for as a business. So I am working on my purpose. You might be looking for something you love doing, something inspire you, something make you happy, and maybe more time. So whatever is it, but you have to know your own mind. If I ask you, as I said, do you know what your mind looks like? This is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. When I did my consulting, thinking to result, and I learned about the mind, I never knew what mind looks like and how that works. And I used to work against of myself. Against means I was thinking against of myself. And this is the way I knew how to think. But since I have learned how the mind works according to the law, I'm very, very careful now how to use your own mind, not against of yourself, favor of yourself. 98%, 98, 99% people not aware of it. You might be surprised hearing that. Even you are so clever, you got all the information, you did maybe degree or whatever, you went to the university, but this is how the mind works. You have to know your mind and how that works is very important. So we are working with the mind. Most information we are working, most of the time we are working on our own mind. And if you want to see the result according to, you have to know how you are using your own mind, not other people. Most of the time we are blaming others, family, friends, the environment, because this is the reason you're not seeing the result. This is the reason you're not getting the result. Of course, once you know how to use your own mind, then you can just start creating your own. You can start using your own mind, and you don't have to blame anybody. You don't have to blame your family, friends, the environment. So this is the reason we have to know our own mind. As you know, we are working with intellect mind. Intellect mind, we have to know how that works, because there is a conscious mind, then we have the subconscious mind, then we have higher faculties as a intellect mind, and we have to know these higher faculty, how everything manifests, and then we have to know how that energy works, energy on level of frequency, how, and then of course we have to know the laws, how the vibration works, law of attraction, how we attract everything in our environment. And we think because of other people I'm getting the results. No, it's to do with your own the way we are thinking, the way we are using our own mind. All the results are the way we are using our own mind. It's nothing to do with other people, nothing to do with the family, friends, or environment. So it's everything to do with your own mind, how you are using your own mind according to the laws. You have to know the laws. I keep stressing about the laws. People not aware of their laws. You have to know the laws are as a fix in the universal world, and they work according to. So we really have to know how to use the laws and your own mind. So today, all I want to stress about, you have to know your mind. If you don't know your own mind, how you're using it, you might be saying, I'm a very clever person, I got all the information, I know how to use it. But do you know how you think? And do you know how you're using your information? And do you know how you're getting all your results? And do you know, according all the action is everything is coming back to you? Do you know about that? Do you know your vibration? Do you know your level of frequency, that you're working with the energy? And we have to know these everything: intellect mind, subconscious mind, the energy, level of frequency, vibration, and law of attraction, and how everything works, how we think as thoughts. This is most important. You have to know each area of that mind. If you don't know each area of your mind, this is the reason you are stuck. This is the reason you're not seeing the result around your goals. This is the reason frustration. This is the reason every time same result, same thing. So if you want to change it, you have to know your own mind to change everything. There's no other way. I'm telling you, there's no other way. Doesn't matter how much information you're gathering, and it doesn't matter how clever you are, but if you don't know how to program your own mind, and if you don't know how that mind works, and we are just stuck, and we are just gonna come back again on the same place. So this is what every single day you're gonna feel. You're just going around and around. You're coming back on the same place. And I wasn't aware of my mind. I didn't know how the mind works. Now I'm very much aware of it. I'm very careful how I'm using my own mind, because I don't want to use my own mind against of myself. And if I do, I'm aware of it and I correct it straight away. It's an ongoing process, correcting yourself and having the awareness of yourself. So I think that's all I wanted to share with you. Let's find about the mind before you start working on the goals, and then you can start working on your goals, and then of course whatever action you're going to take, it's going to start to work. And it's the most important, knowing your own mind. So hopefully this information going to help you. I haven't introduced you myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking to Result. I was looking for my purpose. I have finally found it. I'm working on my purpose. This is what inspires me, makes me happy, and it motivates me, whatever I'm doing, working with the laws and on mind. And my mentor is Bob Proctor. I don't know if you know Bob Proctor. He was in the Secret movie. If you haven't watched the Secret movie, go watch the Secret movie. And it's really, you will learn about how the law of attraction works. And if you do need a further help around your goals, and message me on the messenger, and ask all the questions around the goals, and I can help you around the goals. And please leave the comments. What do you think about the YouTubes? Are they helping you? This information, what I'm sharing with you, this is what Bob Proctor told all around the world. Don't please take it light, because this is the information, same information I'm sharing with you, what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And you can start using around your goals also. And Bob taught this information more than 60 years. And same information I'm sharing with you. Hopefully this information going to help you, but only going to help you if you're going to start to take the action and taking the information and going to and use it. And otherwise, just watching the YouTube is not going to help you. Of course, it will help you what I'm telling you, but you have to take action according to. I think that's all I wanted to say. Try to find your own mind, how the mind works. Of course, you got a lot of information, but you have to know how your mind works. This is the most important, the lesson today is. I think that's all. And thank you for letting me share the information with you, and have a great day. So today your homework is to find out how the mind works. Okay. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.